Very good morning, 8th class students. So today I am going to explain 5.2 exercise problems. Listen well. Venkana purchased 50 dozen bananas. How many purchased 50 dozen bananas? What is the cost of the 50 dozen bananas? 1250 rupees. He incurred transportation charges 250 rupees. What is the transportation charges? 250 rupees. He could not sell 5 dozen bananas as they were spoiled. So from that 50 dozens, 5 dozens are spoiled, so he couldn't sell that. Now he have to find David. He sold remaining bananas of 35 for each dozen. So Venkana purchased 50 dozen bananas. What is the cost of the 50 dozen bananas? 1250 rupees, and transportation charges 250 rupees, and he is selling each dozen bananas as 35 rupees, but he couldn't sell the 5 dozens. Why? Because they are spoiled. Total cost price of bananas. Total cost price of bananas is equal to 1250 plus transportation charges. 1250 plus 250 is equal to 1500 rupees. And he could not sell the 5 dozen bananas. Selling price of remaining bananas. Selling price of remaining bananas is equal. So out of the 50 is not selling 5 dozens into 35 rupees. It means 45 into 35. Why 50 minus 5? He is not selling the 5 dozen bananas. So what is the cost here? By multiplying you will get 1575. By multiplying you will get 1575 rupees. Then here, what is the cost price? 1500. And what is the selling price? 1575. Here, cost price is 1500 and the selling price is 1575. Here, selling price is more than the cost price. Selling price more than the cost price. So you will get profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 1575 minus 1500 is equal to 75 rupees. What is the profit here? 75. So profit percentage is equal to profit into 100 by cost price. What is the profit? 75 into 100 by 1500. 0 cancel, cancel. 15 ones are 15 paisa. So what is the profit here? 5% profit on the bananas. See here. Malik sells 2 tables for 3000 rupees each. He is selling 2 tables. It means I don't know cost price. Malik sells 2 tables for 3000 rupees each. He gained 20% on first table and lost 20% on second table. Now, Malik selling 2 tables at the cost of 3000 rupees each table, and he is gaining 20% on first table, and he is lose 20% on second table. So finally, he get profit or loss. You have to find. See, selling price of table 1 is equal to 3000 rupees. I don't know what is the cost price. See, profit percentage is nothing but increased of cost price. For example, you take on the cost price. Okay, if selling price is 120, then what about the cost price? 100. Why? Because here gain is almost 20%. It means if for example, if cost price is 100, then what is selling price? 120 by gaining 20%. So here, if selling price is 120, then what about the cost price? 100. But here, if selling price is 3000, then what about the cost price? cost price is equal to 3000 into 100 by 120. Why? Because 200 he is gaining 120 rupees to 3000. What is the cost price here? 2500. On second table, selling price of table 2 is equal to 3000. He is getting loss. It means if cost price is 80, sorry, if cost price is 100, then what about the selling price? 80 rupees. Why? Because he is lose. If selling price is 80, cost price is 100. If selling price is 3000, then what about the cost price? See here, cost price is equal to 3000 into 100 by 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 15s are 0 0. Next 2 7s are 14. 1 9 2 5s are 0. So cost price of second table is equal 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 37. So here cost price of the first table is 2500 and cost price of the second table is 3750. Then you have to find the total selling price. Total selling price is equal to 3000 plus 3000 is equal to 6000. Then total cost price. What is the cost price of the table 1? 2500. 2500 plus cost price of the second table 3750. Now add these two. What is that? 6250. See here, selling price is 6000 and cost price is 6250. Here what is greater than? Cost price is greater than the selling price. So you will get loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price here? 6250 minus 6000 is equal to 250. Then loss percentage is equal to loss into 100 by cost price. What is the loss here? 250. So 250 into 100 by what is the cost price? 6250. By cancelling we get 4%. So finally, what is the last percentage here? 4%. A owner increases the rent of his house by 5% at the end of each year. So one owner, he is increasing the rent of the house 5% every year. If currently its rent is 2500, so currently this year that house rent per month is 2500. Every year he is increasing 5% on the rent. Now you have to find after 2 years what is the rent of that house per month. You have to find. Clear question? A owner increasing 5% on rent every year. So after 2 years, what is the house? What is the rent of that house? You have to find. Then rent of the present is nothing but 2500. See here, rent of the house is equal to 2500. Rent of the house next year increase it to 5%. So next year increase it to 5%. So rent of the house per month is 2500. Now after 1 year, rent of the house per month after 1 year, how much increased? 5%. It is nothing but 2500 plus 2500 to 5 by 100. 5% increased. So after 1 year, what is the rent of the house per month? 2625. Next year, once again, he increased 5%. Rent of the house increased 5% to next year. Next year means second year. After 2 years, rent of that house per month is equal 2625 plus 2625 into 5 by 100. Why 5 by 100? 5% increased. So after the calculation, 2625 plus 131.25. So after 2 years, rent of that house per month is nothing but 2756.25. In the year 2012, it was estimated that there were 36.5 crore internet users are there. So in the year of 2012, how many internet users are there? 36.4 crores. Next 10 years, the internet users number increased to 125%. Now you have to find how many internet users are there after 10 years. It means 2022 years you have to find. See, in the year of 2012 there were 36.4 crore internet users are there. To 2022, it means after 10 years that number increased to 125%. Total number of internet users after 10 years, it means in the year of 2022 is equal to 36.4 into 125 by 100. See, 5 2s are and also 0. Next, 5 2s are, 5 5s are. Next, 5 5s are, 5 4s are. 4 9s are 36.1 is equal to 36.4 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. So 45.5 is nothing but 0.9. So how much? 81.9 crore people are there in the year of 2022. Very good morning, 8th class students. This is today's homework. Complete the following tables. Here cost price there, expenses there, profit there, loss there, and also loss percentage there. You have to find the, you have to fill the these blanks.